All right. Welcome to the Chop It Up Kitchen where we chopping up food and conversation. That's right, Dr. Sebi style. Give me a minute, and as always, we about to get up in it. All right. Glad to see you back for another episode of the Chop It Up Kitchen. Today we will be preparing for you a classic straight out of my grandma's cover and your grandma's too, baby. Peach dumpling, baby, for those people that got that sweet tooth. All right, the ingredients are as follow because you know why? You gotta know why. I've been saying this for the longest, and I'm gonna keep saying it. Your health is your wealth. If you ain't got your health, you ain't got nothing else. Check it out. The ingredients are as follows. Okay, we have about a pound of frozen peaches. You can use fresh, but what we have right today is frozen peaches. We have 2 cups of white spelt flour. We have about a cup of sparkling spring water. And of course we have agave for the sweetener. And we have a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of sirloin cinnamon, Dr. Sebi approved. And what we have here is powdered form of agave. So this is powdered agave, about a cup. So what we're using the powdered agave for, you can use the liquid for both the dough and the syrup sauce for the peaches, but I prefer the powdered for the dumpling because it just tastes a little bit more sweeter for my taste. But it still comes out just as good if you use 1 agave for the whole recipe. But right now we have the powdered agave, and I will leave a link down in the description below where you can reach and get this. But it's pretty common online. You can find it just about anywhere. Powdered agave. So let's get ready and get it popping. We're gonna start off with preparing the dough for the dumplings. It's pretty simple. So you know you have the spelt flour, 2 cups of spelt flour, white spelt flour that is. We're gonna get that all up in there, and then we have, of course, the powdered agave. It's the same thing, like I said before, as the liquid, but in powder form, to give it that kind of like the pastry kind of taste that you really love and know. And grandma used to mix it up like my grandma used to do. All right, we put that in there, and that's about a cup. And of course the 1/4 of sea salt to balance out the sweetness. And this is what we're going to say for the syrup is the sirloin cinnamon, but I like to put a little dash in there. We'll put a little dash in there to give it that too, so it's in the dough and it's the syrup as well. And of course the sparkling spring water, we're going to put a little bit at a time until it comes to a nice formed dough ball, baby. See there, you're stirring it up real nice until it starts mixing. And you know you're going to have to get your hand a little dirty, but you want to get it going till you can get that ball, that dough ball coming along. All right. Nice little dough ball. So we got the dough ball. We're going to make that up into the dough ball. We're going to set that to a side. So you don't want it to be too dense. You want it to still be loose like that. We got the peaches already in the pot, ready to go on a medium-high heat. Reason why I say you want to put them on a medium-high heat because the peaches are frozen, so you want to let them cook so they can kind of thaw out a little bit for about maybe 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes on medium-high heat. Just keep your eye on it while it's cooking up the peaches. So what we're going to start off with, we have the peaches already in there going. We're going to put a 1/2 cup of liquid agave, not the powder form, but the liquid kind, up in there to start off with. You know, all we're doing is making a syrup. So we're letting it boil on down. You know, as you can see, I'm kind of like chopping up the peaches as we go. You know, like I say, that's how you know when they're done, when you can kind of cut into them, chop them up real good. You know, just reminds me back, you know, looking at grandma make this stuff, man. She made it look so easy. And it is really easy, you know, once you get the hang of it. You know, I got a passion for cooking. I got a passion for it. So it's easy to me, you know. And I love eating healthy. I love eating good food. So we're gonna go ahead and start adding the dumpling mixture in there. So what we're gonna do is just taking little dumpling peach balls like this. That's all you want to do. See there? Just a little dumpling like that. And just there you go. The peach dumplings coming to a boil. I got them on about medium heat, maybe medium high. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit because we don't want them to cook too fast. And of course, I did have to add some water to it for about a half a cup of water to get that syrup just the way I like it. But when we come back, baby, it's time for the grand finale, baby. Okay, the taste test. Stick around. All right, family. Welcome back. We're about to get to the grand finale. That's right, baby. Man, I just wish you was here. Chop it up kitchen style. You know, it's been a pretty decent year. You know, got my travel abroad. I went to Africa this year again. This is my second time going to Africa. This time I went to Ghana and it was amazing. So, brought back some good things. And one of those good things right now I'm going to do the grand finale. Let's not forget that, and read a book that I got back from Africa. We went to Ghana, and it was with Kwame Nkrumah. Hometown is Ghana. So brought me a nice little book back on the country, on our native soil. And I wanted to know a little bit more about President Nkrumah. So I got my book by my side. And last but not least, the grand finale, baby. Let's stop all that talking. Let's get down to business. Feel like I want to get back to the motherland, baby. All right, it's been great spending time with you guys today. As always, like, share, and subscribe. As always, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on that other side. Chop It Up Kitchen. See you until the next time, baby. Please share, like, and subscribe this video because there's more to come.